guys, today I'm making club sandwich. Sandwiches can be had at breakfast, lunch or a snack. It only takes a few ingredients to put a sandwich together and it takes just a few minutes. So guys, let's make some sandwich. So first I'm going to transfer the sardines into the bowl. Then I'll mash it. Next, I'll transfer the butter into it. Then I'm going to give it a nice stir. I'm going to stir it until it's well combined, after which I will set it aside. So next I'm going to mash the eggs. Next I'll add my shredded carrots and some shredded cabbage. I'll give it a nice stir. Then I'll add some mayonnaise. I'm going to add my sardine mixture. Spread that generously on my bread slice. And I'll add another layer of bread. Now I'll spread my egg and mayonnaise mixture generously also. Add another slice of bread. Then I'm going to spread some mayonnaise . After which I will top it with some fresh lettuce. Some tomato slices. I'll place another bread slice on top of this. Then I'm going to spread some more sardine mixture. Now I'm going to cover it with the last bread slice. Push it down a bit. Next, I'm going to insert 2 skewers to make sure it holds firmly. So the sandwich is ready. Now I'm going to cut into 2 halves to form a triangle shape. I'm going to take it from one edge this way to the other, and then there you have it, guys. Our sandwich is ready to be enjoyed with tea, coffee, or any beverage of choice. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Dish So Sweet. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.